All right.
Aiden, come here.
We're about to open your birthday presents.
Come here. Aiden.
We got 2 deliveries.
Stop grabbing.
Go ahead,
Get
go
off
with
the
Dada.
scissors. Look, boxes. Where are you going? Come here.
What's in the boxes?
You want that one first?
Hi. You say hi? Hi. Yeah. Bye-bye, Aiden. Bye-bye. You do bye-bye? Bye-bye, Aiden. Bye-bye. Go see the boxes. What's Daddy doing? What's Dada doing? Go help Daddy. Yeah, we'll go to help her.
What's in there?
Who's he?
Open.
What's in there?
Just trying to close it. Just keep it open.
Oh, what's that? Bubble?
He wants to close it.
Oh.
Alright, good one.
What's that? Oh no.
It's a Jack in the Box.
Oh my goodness.
We don't play with plastic. Alright, now
Aiden.
box back up. Okay, alright, close it up, Hansel.
It's a Jack in the Box.
Aiden.
Hopefully. It doesn't scare him as much as Daddy's singamajigs. Because Daddy wanted them.
Aiden, look. Hang on.
Past her.
Smiling.
What's that? Who is it? Let me come on this side. Behind you.
Look. Get off.
Aiden, what is it?
Oh, there we go.
Oh boy, you're already at 3 minutes here. For a Jack in the Box.
Stop it.
Oh! You like it?
So far, so good. Don't break the lid. Get off the lid. Okay, let's move on.
Okay. Oh. Oh, and he picks it up and throws it. That's what he does. He bulldozes everything.
Oh my God.
He picks it up and throws it.
Alright, put that aside. Alright. Now, let's get this one. Yeah, you get
Help
that
Dada. He's trying to figure out how to get back to the Jack in the Box.
Come here, I could use your help over here.
Oh.
Him.
Aw, honey. Oh, no. You can have it in a minute.
Look, another box.
Look.
Aiden, look. What's in here? More plastic! Yay!
Come on.
Ah! Oh, that's great.
Yay!
Is this the one that we asked about?
Oh, look at the puzzles.
Ooh. Oh, they did have this sippy cup.
Yay!
Oh, that's great. Thank you.
Yay, thank you.
Aiden got your puzzle. Want to play with your puzzle? And as usual, he's more interested in the box it came in.
Aiden, can you say hi? Hi, Aiden. Can you say bye-bye? No?
Just wants to get in the box. Alright, Aiden, look, come here. Look. Knobs, you like knobs.
Duck. Oh.
He throws it.
Picking it up and throwing. I'm walking around with the duck.
He puts it back in. Nope.
What's that? Cow.
Horse.
Horsey. We love the gifts.
And he will too, I promise.
Very excited. Ooh, look at this.
Just tossing them all behind him.
Look at your sippy cup. Look at that with the spaceman. Oh, nope.
Here, turn it this way. Where does that guy go? Where does he go? He goes behind you.
It is Sugar Booger.
It's Sugar Booger?
Aiden, look! You get a real plate. Oh, it suctions.
Oh, that's great.
Look! The cow jumped over the moon. See? Oh, right?
You throwing everything?
You want to say bye-bye and thank you?
Aiden, come on.
Do bye-bye.
Do something.
Bye-bye, we miss you.
Aiden, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Aiden, look at Mama. Bye-bye. Do bye-bye. Ah, he's got too much going on.
Yeah.
We miss you, we see you soon. I'll just keep putting them back. Ah,
He's throwing them at me.
Moo. The puzzle should face you. See? Yay! You do it. Hey. Oh. Chicken. You say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Aiden. Bye-bye, Aiden. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. See you. Bye-bye. No.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.